Have you ever wondered how to apply for the Nigerian Army DSSC Recruitment 2024? This year, the Nigerian Army is opening doors of opportunities for eligible candidates. Knowing the application process is crucial to your success. Today, we will guide you through the application process step by step. First, navigate to the official recruitment website. Open your web browser and type in recruitmentarmy.mil. On the homepage, you'll spot the DSSC option. Go ahead and give that a click. Now, you're on the DSSC page, which is your gateway to the application process. Remember, it's crucial to select the DSSC option to ensure you're applying for the right program. No worries, it's straightforward and user-friendly. Once you are on the DSSC page, you are ready to start the application process. Before clicking Apply Now, make sure you meet the criteria for the courses offered. The qualifications vary, so it's essential to thoroughly read through each course's requirements. Once you've found a course that matches your qualifications, click Apply Now. During the application process, you'll be asked to indicate whether you're a current or ex-armed forces member. This information is vital, so ensure it's accurate. Now, if you haven't already, sign up or log into your account on the recruitment website. This is where you'll complete the application form. Make sure to fill out all the sections carefully and accurately. Remember to upload necessary documents like passport photos, certificates, and NIN-BVN. These are crucial for verifying your identity and qualifications. The application period for the Nigerian Army DSSC Recruitment 2024 is from January 18th, 2024 to February 23rd, 2024. Now, let's walk through the key criteria. You need to be at least 20, but no older than 40. Also, you should stand tall at a minimum height of 1.65 meters, and academically, a second-class, lower division grade is your ticket in. So, if you meet these criteria, it's time to step forward. With this information, you are now equipped to apply for the Nigerian Army DSSC Recruitment 2024.